So today I'm taking a break from the house because the weather is supposed to be nice today. It's supposed to be about 60 and the sun's already out, which we haven't seen it for a couple days. So I'm going to go cut some firewood. But first, I want to show you my new tool that I want to try out today. I don't know what you call this. I don't know if it's a logging tool or whatever. But to sum it up, I'll hook my log and then I'll be able to roll it over, and when I roll it over, it's going to prop it up on this stand on the bottom. So what I'm hoping is it's going to save my chain on my chainsaw, because I don't know if you're like me, I always think, oh, I don't need to prop up my log because I'll keep it out of the dirt. And then next thing I know, I'm flinging dirt everywhere. So hopefully this tool will save my chain and be able to cut some more. So we're going to try that out today. Let's get it. Okay, so I want to try something. It may be stupid, I don't know. But as you can see, the bucket is full of wood. But look how my tractor's sitting. It's sitting on a pretty steep grade. So we're going to try it out. Let's see if it can back up the hill, even with muddy tires and a full bucket of wood. I think it will, but we'll see. So after using this tool all day, I have to say this is a pretty nifty tool and it comes in handy. The only downfalls on this tool that I've seen so far is you have to have the right size log to fit inside this hook. If it's too big, it won't hook onto it. If it's too small, it'll just slide off of it. I don't know if there's an adjustment I can make to this hook. If maybe if I make it sharper, it'll hook onto more, or if I can just add another little barb on the end on the inside. Overall, this thing has been pretty handy and nifty today. I'm glad I bought it. I bought it for 37 bucks, and I can't remember what brand it is. Like I said, I bought it at a little farm supply store in Pennsylvania, but I'm glad I bought it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.